answer your phone. How go on? Kau yang mana kaya phone, na answer it. How go on? Answer. I don't understand this.
Yeah, let me check. He call me tell her to call me. Leave me outside now. Where is it? No. No, really. Yes. Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm fine. You? What kind of ends? Oh, better. Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was the best night of my life, you know? Still I think about it, everything. Yeah.
Next month. I'm gonna do this.
Who Chinese man? You know, say 2 minutes drop yesterday do I really go with it. I'm here calling you and answer your phone. Oh yes, boy, that's still. That's true. I don't know why I'm still a child and I know saying can't get me. Come about Wednesday. About 1. In our afternoon. Yeah. Alright, later.
Captain! Go buy next block. I tell me say I want to the pan.
China man, they are not very fun.
No problem.
They are not that serious. They are going beat on juice.
Can't believe it. Max reading himself in the dark, so go buy a cat dog.
Boy, China man, you can't see that still no more. You see, me should have known better clean up cars. The man personal woman. Remember saying that plan, say I got married to her and me messed that up. You understand me?
It's Max and I play the game good.
Yo, China man, you see me I tell you, ease yourself no man, you talk about game, bridging. You see, you not get the point, you know, bridging. You not get the point, you know. I want you, man. You know, so I should know better. Max and my friend, you know. And not because of me why he make himself over the woman. The man personal woman or the man did have a married to and set him things straight.
True that still.
You understand me? You think a little bit of pressure that you know me I feel but China man, I know about pressure. I feel you, I feel too I feel too good enough dog over it. By the way, you want a drink?
No dog, yeah. He's after drinking dog.
Man, foolish to start talking.
No man, he's after drinking man.
No, man,
why I go through the same thing now?
No man, you're not
don't
feeling like me because you want know. By the way, you know what? Who don't know Lisa car? Go down to church and we'll get some blessings and see if we can change up the thing.
Man.
Me hate, man. I can't believe that the boy play me. Jesus, how me so fool, man. How me never see that. John was star. John, how me make this happen, man.
Oh, how the tables have turned. What started out as a game turned out into a nightmare. Such is life. Life is like a journey going through a valley. Sometimes you'll come across many obstacles in your way. Through the path, sometimes may be rocky, and the journey may seem long. At the end of it all, life is what you make it. May your journey be full of bliss, peace, and adventure. Enjoy the beauty of life, and may your soul flow like a river which ends up into the sea. Whatever life has to offer is up to you to determine the outcome of life. So, what are you waiting for? Go sort out your life. Go back to the drawing board and come up with a